Hello guys, welcome back to PackWiseGear. Today we are doing a different video. We are actually doing a product launch. So I created something and I would like to show to everybody. And if you guys like it, I would love to get your feedback, positive, negative, however you want to do it. I'm okay with that. So it's like EDC. I call it EDC Slider. So it's a box where you can have your EDC items. And I did on this, basically, it has kind of same capacity as Altoids tin, but it brings more, I will say, structure and character, because you can have a nice topo design across the board. It also has a hidden compartment where you can store some things which you don't want to show to other people, and also have a nice structure. It contains about 11 to 12 magnets, so it opens up to the to two different levels where you can see your things, as you can see. And the hidden compartment is behind this, the opening slot or the opening placement where you can press and open the box. So it's behind this closure where you can store stuff if you don't want to show to other people. And other thing it has, it's a magnetic close. So I call it EDC Slider. That's the name I'm thinking for this box. So let's switch to the other camera and go deep into this and try to understand what I have created and how I'm using it. And it's not available for sale, but it will be after this video. So if you're interested, just let me know. And it comes in different colors, and you can have two tones like this. So this is army brown, military brown, and coyote, light coyote. This one is neon orange, and various other colors. I'll go over these, and of course I can do any color you guys are interested in. So let's deep dive into this. All right, guys, welcome back. So we're in another camera view here. So this is the box I'm talking about, which is, I call it EDC Slider. Basically, what I have been using over the past is, as you can see, I have written my different medications I have taken in the past, or I'm taking right now. Obviously, I'm going to conceal all this information. There are labels here, and I put them in an Altoids box. But this has limitations, as you can see, that the hinge is not strong enough, and also it kind of doesn't look nice. You want to carry something which has some character. You want to show that the adventurous vibe, or you have some creativity, or minimalist a kind of vibe to it. It's great using it for a long time, but I feel like let's move on and do something different. So I came up with this box. I'm a huge fan of topo designs, and so it's a debossed design, topo design into this box, and it's 3D printed with very premium, high quality carbon fiber, and I can do carbon fiber in black and gray space. This is the black, and this is gray space, and both can have matte finish. And so it's if by the measurement, this box holds about around 4.5 inches, I will say, to 3 inches, and a little bit less than 4.5 actually, and it's about 1 inch in the thickness, and I love it. I use it for various purposes, and I did a various pack outs here. But this is how it looks like from outside, and a really nice design. I love it, but would love to get your feedback. So it opens up like this, and there's two-stage opening. So this is what is staged right now, and I can take it out completely and decouple it. Contains magnet all over the structure, and so what I have in there right now is 711L ratchet, which takes 1x4 bits. So this is a very nice ratchet tool. And then I have all the bits here as well. This is like, I think this tool is about $29. I'll put the link in the description below. And this I got from Home Depot. The bits which comes from this organization are expensive, but you can get this for $5 from Home Depot. So that goes nicely in there. Then I have multi-tool. This is Next Tool. I recently found this. This is kind of, as you know, Leatherman, they stop making their smallest Leatherman. So I decided to pick this one up from Amazon. This is also very reasonably priced. All these things are very budget controlled. And I got this from AliExpress. It's very sharp knife. And I think it's like $2 or something. It's, you know, just to have something smaller. So this is the slot which is in the hidden compartment is right here. So you can store things here, and you can do a magnetic closure on this as well. So it goes back in there, and so this can be used for various purposes. I just had few things in here. This is kind of full size stuff, but I have actually another similar pack out which we can do is. In this one, I have pry bar. I think I got this from Amazon. It's kind of multi-tool, bottle opener, hex tool, and then I have this is Sunto compass, and then I have flashlight, which I have for a long time. I don't remember the brand, but I'll put the link in the description below. It's very popular. So I have the Leatherman Squirt PS4. So this is, if you compare it with the next tool, this one is a lot more smaller. And then I have this Clippers lighter, which I recently got from one of their RV road shows, and this was really nice. Love it. Very nice, and kind of goes in. Actually, also fits very well in Altoids box as well. Okay, so and so these are a couple of use cases, and you know, I might do a version 2 of this box where I have you see how snug it goes. So where I do have a carabiner attached to it and a belt clip. So I'll make a belt clip for this as well. So the next color I have here is glow in the dark. It's green, and basically it glows. It absorbs lights and glows, kind of similar to Evergood's glow in the dark patches, but it's a plastic filament. Basically here I have some cough medications and band-aids. Just another use case I want to show you guys. And the next color here I have is a beautiful fire orange. This is a tough filament by Polymaker, I believe, and a beautiful color. I just love this color, and I have a couple of other two-tone color I can show you guys. And this one has let's open it up. So this one is a more urban setup here. So this is I have a data blocker charging and devices right here. I'll do a whole video on this. Actually, I think it's very important I share this information, you guys. So this This only charges. This blocks the data, very important. And this is a small EDC size tau power bank. Just fits right in there. And then I have here is lever a charging cable. So it's basically it's a charging cable comes out. I actually bought it from their website, and you know, it can go in there and you can change the slot. Right now it's micro USB. You can change this to Type C or Lightning if you would like. Very nice EDC emergency situation charging cable. Love it. So yeah, so let's talk about colors. So I can, you know, in the carbon fiber, we only have two colors, which is black and gray space, which is these two. But if you don't want water resistant, sorry, not water, it's more like heat resistance capability, then you can go any color. We can do any color. So this one is another setup which has the you know, coyote, light coyote brown and military green, and then I have a neon orange, you know, and then I have here another army green, and then this is another two-tone, which is from Polymaker, which is the gray and coyote, light coyote brown combo. So really nice colors. You know, as this is, we have right now we have 500 subscribers on the channel. I will give these out for free to you know, for all those YouTubers who are posting in our comments. And then other thing I would like to show you, I just the hidden compartment, like how I'm utilizing that. So some cough medication and Band-Aid in this box, and here I have rolled up $100. So I just kind of rolled up there, close it, magnetic close, and then close the you know, the EDC slider. So well, this is just a quick demonstration of something we have been working on this channel, something to create for EDC community. And after Sharpie Caddy, this is another box which I have created. Now I'm also creating an alternative to Altoid tin per se in high-end plastics, and with the very strong hinge and with the very strong closing mechanisms. So something to watch out for my channel for in the future. Well, thank you very much, guys, as appreciated. Thank you for watching our videos, and please like and subscribe. I will more you guys post comments, interact with the community. I will sending these out for as a gift for free for my audience. So so yeah, keep in touch, keep in loop, provide your feedback. I would love to see some comments on this. And thanks for watching PackWiseGear.